guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lachelle Trends. So today I am coming to you with a Black Radiance foundation review. Black Radiance was kind enough to send over all 8 shades of their new foundation sticks, and it came in this cute package. Like, y'all, this package is to die for. But anyways, we're going to swatch all 8 shades as well, match up what shade matches me, and we're going to get into this whole makeup look that I have going on here. So please continue to watch. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. And as well, I will leave everything in the description box of what I used today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Y'all, so there are a total of 8 foundation sticks that came in the package. It says that they are oil free and it's medium coverage, and it as well comes with a applicator. They are retailed at $10.49, and you can find them at any of your local drugstores, Walmart, Target, CVS, Rite Aid, stores like that. When you get your foundation stick, this is what it looks like. At the top is the foundation, and then at the bottom is the little applicator that you can use to apply the foundation. Of course, you don't have to use it if you already have your foundation brush or whatever, but we're going to go ahead and swatch these out on my arm just so you can see what the how the colors range. So these are the swatches. This one is Bronze Glow, Cappuccino, Brownie, Beautiful Bronze, Cashmere, Cocoa Bean, Espresso, and Chocolate Dipped. We're going to go ahead and use the one that I think matches closely to my skin, which is the Cappuccino. So y'all, this is like a really good match, and it's so smooth and creamy. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and use their applicator and just to test it out and see. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So this foundation is so bomb. The color is spot on, and it is so hard for me to find a foundation that is spot on to my skin tone. I normally have to mix it together with something, either it's too light or it's too dark and I look ashy, but this is like spot on to my skin tone. I'm like so shooketh. But yeah, this is some really good foundation, and not only that, it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like anything is on your face. Normally, when you use foundation, sometimes it feels like it's caked on or whatever. You can barely even tell that you have this foundation on. Like, it's so lightweight. It is medium coverage, and again, I did go ahead and I like the applicator that it came with, but it is a little smaller, so I just wanted to speed things up and use a bigger foundation brush. But it is so cute that it came with that little applicator. Overall, y'all, I really like this foundation. Like, this is going to be my go-to foundation for my everyday makeup look when I don't want to look so caked up and so made up or whatever. I just want to be natural looking. This is what I'm going to use. Like, this is really good, and it's a really good match. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and yeah, so we're just gonna speed things up. So y'all, I'm using the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and right now I'm using the shade Buttercup. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blending out the harsh lines. To cut my crease using the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer. Color that I'm going to use is the shade GNO. The next color that I'm using is Note to Self. So now I'm going to take my WetNWild Black liquid eyeliner and make a winged line. That line and make it as sharp as I can, I'm taking the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer again, just to make it a precise line. The lashes that I'm putting on is the Lilylashes in the style Miami. Now I'm going to use the Colourpop Cosmetics concealer in the color 46 to highlight. To set my highlight, I am going to use the Black Raven The lipstick I'm wearing is the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream in the color Matte Bright. And here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.